What's up, guys? How you like the specs? It's Bree Green from D4D. I'm the co-owner at designfordollars.com, and I got my little ruler here because I want to talk about a few things, including some courses that we have coming up. So I'm going live here. I gotta take these off. They're ridiculous. They don't have lenses in them, by the way, which is also pretty funny because I spent my whole life like literally blind, like the kid with the really, really big, thick glasses. Like I couldn't see anything. And I got LASIK last year. And now I can see really well. So now I'm walking around with these glasses on with no lenses. But so I'm actually here at SUNY Fredonia. So this is a college that I graduated from. I actually live in the community too with my husband and daughter. It's a state university, New York system. And I thought it was a perfect opportunity. I'm out running errands and I actually have to hit a doctor's appointment for an annual exam. So I thought it would be perfect to stop by here, show you guys the campus. So I am south of Buffalo in Western New York. And it's Fredonia. We're 45 minutes from Pennsylvania, 45 minutes from Ohio, 45 minutes from the Canadian border. This is where I got my master's in biology, and this is where I got my advanced certification in school building leadership. So that leads to why I'm going live, which I got to make it quick so I get to my appointment on time, but to talk about the Crushing Keywords course that Duncan and I are doing tonight. So let's say hi real quick to a few people. We got Eric in the house. Chris, what's up? And Mika, hey. My husband Nate's on. What's up? Hi, honey. Moses, Brooke, Ryan Raymond. What's up? Ryan is one of our is an artist and a team member at D4D. You can actually find his artwork already live on our website at designfordollars.com. So let's talk about real quick what you can expect with this Crushing Keywords course. So actually, I lied. Let me get this. I forgot to get our crew in here. So let's get let's see here. We need merch money in the house, and we need D4D fam in the house. So so the class is tonight. It's a live training. You guys are going to get to interact with us, ask us questions, get a real view of what goes on in Duncan and I's minds when we are researching. And when we're researching, let me clarify like what all we're going to be touching on in this course. So we're going to be touching on phrase research, keyword research, niche research, because they all kind of work together. There were a lot of questions in the groups about, so if I've taken the keyword course that D4D offers before, or I've worked with Bree on keywords or phrase research, is this going to be of value to me? Hell yeah, it is. We're constantly refining our processes. We're not always doing the same thing over and over again. So even within a short amount of time, but actually it's been a while since we offered or rolled out that first initial keyword course, but we're constantly picking up little strategies. You guys know we're kind of like crazy as far as the rebels in like, you know, trying some stuff out, like being kind of creative, thinking outside the box, like kind of trying to zig while other people are zagging. So we have tons of content for you guys. Also, I had to wear my Amazon expert shirt that I got from Dan and Eric from the Wholesale Formula because my background is Amazon FBA. So one thing that you can expect to get in this course is also my take on how we could be leveraging the knowledge of Amazon FBA to help us in P.O.D. So I'm going to show you guys, since on Merch by Amazon, we're listing on Amazon, even though it's a separate platform from Amazon Seller Central and Amazon Custom, even though it's separate, they're still searching for your stuff on Amazon. So I'm going to go through with you guys the who, what, when, where, why, and how. And then Duncan and I are literally just going to freestyle. Come armed with suggestions for us. If you guys want us to look into a certain niche, if you want us to look into certain keywords, come with that. Throw that out to us so you can see the thought process of us you know, navigating through where we even start. How do we even know if we're going to waste our time with a design, right? Or with a phrase or with a certain set of keywords. And then also, what's our style? Like, how do we make it more efficient for ourselves? Because you know that we're all about trying to make things more efficient, trying to make things better, but it's about working smarter, not harder, because it's difficult to be a one-person show and scale. So we'll show you some of the things that we do, some of the things that you can automate to us if you just don't have the time. So, hey Cheryl, how are you? Kayla, what's up? Thanks for joining, guys. So I have 8 minutes to get over the doctor's appointment. So I'm gonna wrap it up really quick. Join us live tonight, Duncan and I, at 9 p.m. Eastern. We're gonna show you everything we know about keywords, keyword research, phrase research, and the physical application of it. Not just, hey, look at this design and check out these keywords. Like, how do we get there? How do we research? How do we implement what we found? And then how do we add that to our Amazon listings on merch? And how do we reflect on that? Because that's the other thing. Some people are putting designs up there and just kind of like leaving them alone, which is cool. Like, there's a lot of things I call set it and forget it. But there are some things that you should be looking at and keeping an eye on if you really want to push your designs to the next level and get more sales. So that's kind of all of the stuff that we're going to be talking about. We've got tons of strategies. It's perfect for beginners, but it's also perfect for advanced. You're going to pick up new strategies regardless. And of course, we're kind of crazy. You're going to get to see a little bit of the logic behind what we do. So that's it, guys. I got to head out. So if you need anything, email is d4demail@gmail.com. Courses tonight. The link is on the Facebook Live. If you're watching this live, please share this with anyone else that needs it. We'll run it just like I used to run my online educational administration courses. Okay, so I call it hands-on learning. You're in a live environment. We're there where you guys can emulate what we're doing, work along with us, watch us, ask us questions, and interact. So, and with that, make sure you go out there and you be a maverick. Don't be scared to do something a little different, and don't be scared to zig when others are zagging, right? It's your journey. Do whatever's right for you and your business. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing. So do what's right for you. All right, I officially have 5 minutes to get over there. I'll see you guys tonight.